I have taken that big shape design, so we can change the angle according to the desired here. We can make the shapes our requirement. Let's have a new shape. Choose the designs on it. I will take that different option. There is the further shape. I will make it using the paint here.